good morning. I have finally decided to put up my tree today. Before I go on, hi guys, my name is Amarachi Obianoa. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, hey, compliments of the season. On my vlog, or rather on my channel, we do mostly, lifestyle. So if this is something you enjoy, it'd be really nice to have you guys join the family. If this isn't your first time, hey guys, thank you for always tuning in. So today I am looking all festive, cute, wearing this set from K Casa, and I have this very cute bow on my hair. This because I want to hang my Christmas tree. I've had my tree for a while now, but because I wanted to kind of document, when I was putting it up, I decided to just wait till I was a bit relieved from work. Work starts tomorrow, but today is Sunday and I have time to put up my tree. And today is the 15th of December. I'm actually putting up my tree very late. That's literally 10 days to Christmas, and I've had my tree for quite some time. But yeah, I'm excited to go put on my tree. All the ornaments I really want for for my tree isn't here. There's one that's supposed to come tomorrow, actually two different ones, and they are two different sizes and two different shapes. However, what I have is actually enough, so I'm just going to put what I have, and when I'm done with the rest tomorrow, I'm going to show you guys the final results. So yeah, this is the fit. So let us go.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to...
I'm downstairs, obviously, and I want to start shooting. I'm just really confused as to how I should shoot the one for Instagram. I want to play with music, but I'm not sure. I want to play with music, but I'm not sure. Or I'm thinking of doing a voiceover. Anyway, I'll probably shoot it like I'm shooting, I'm going to shoot a voiceover and see how it goes. But I plan on doing like 2 videos, one showing them the items I'm going to be using for my tree, and at the end of the day, just talking about like the costs, I guess. Then one is just going to be like a video of me putting up my tree together. Okay guys, so I just removed all the trees. Am I supposed to say that? No. All the parts from the box. So my tree is like an 8-foot tree, so it's really, really tall. This is supposed to be like the base. So I'm guessing the right thing to do is to start from here. So let me put it together. So this is what it looks like. And all you have to do is turn it this way and screw into these 3 holes here, and I'm guessing this is the screw I'll be using.
My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside.
Guys, I of the tree. Guys, I can't even tell you how stressful this thing is, but yeah, I've been able to figure it out. There is this wire behind the top of the tree that goes all the way down, and you're supposed to connect each and every socket to each and every step. So this has step A, B, C, and D, and they all come with like mini sockets, and I'm just supposed to like plug each and every one of them together to obviously give the light. I am very nervous because anything about electrical scares me, because sometimes it may not really work, and I don't know if they tried it before sending it to me, so I'll be so excited if it works. So yeah, let's get it done. I'm going to just connect all the sockets, then when I'm done I will switch it on so we can see. The tree is looking, it's not even as big as I felt it was going to be, but yeah, 8 feet is, I wanted to get a 7 feet, but I'm glad I got an 8 feet. This is pretty decent for my sitting room. But yeah, the ornaments are there, and I hope by the end of the day they'll come out really well. So this one says A, and it is already you know, plugged. So I'm supposed to plug this B to the next listing, and I think it is somewhere here. Yes, found it. So this is B. So I'm just going to plug it. Well, not plug, kind of screw. Guys, I am done. The tree looks so beautiful. Apparently the light has different settings, so let me show you guys. This is one which I think I really love. It's going to look really good in the dark. Let me check. Let me keep going. So this is another one. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but this is another one. Then this one is just plain, like all the lights are on, but no movement at all. Then this is off. Then this one has this movement. All the bulbs are on, and it just has this very nice movement. I also love this. Okay, so let me see what it looks like with the whole light switched off. This one. But yeah, we have this on, and the next thing I'm going to do is put the tree in order. I am exhausted, and honestly speaking, I feel like leaving this till tomorrow morning to finish it up, because I want to be able to actually finish the tree when I start. So I think that is just what I'm going to do. I'm still going to come back in this same outfit tomorrow morning, and I will finish up the tree. Oh, this one interchanges. How interesting, because this wasn't the one I switched on. Did you notice that? So this particular setting plays each and every one of the you know, designed lights, which is really nice. I love it.
Gather